2-6 fading out. Carolina. Southeast shit. It's a Carolina thing from the Ville to the QC. All my niggas on brag. Bunch Road, the Merc, Bonnie Doon, Utah, Winston, Clipdale, Durham, Go-Where. Visions of home, the streets that I roamed. It's been a while, raised me like the father I never had. I'm still your child, and though I've grown in ways that you've never known, I ventured into the world, I moved out all on my own. I'm doing this all for you, I hate to leave you alone. Seen shit you wouldn't believe, I write them down in these poems and put them out for the world. I know you listening too, heard you saying shit about me, I hope this shit isn't true. Man, look at this shit I came from, this narrow point of view. How you hating on a nigga that wanted it more than you? I ran through them spots with you and fucked the same bitches too. And just because I rock with you, I scrap with them niggas too. Came back for them niggas too. Ain't no trapping, nigga, it's true. Yet they play me on repeat cause I rap for them niggas too. They see I started with nothing but passion and then I blew to the rock, damn the top's a spectacular fucking view. Visions of home. Visions of home. Visions of home. Visions of home. I'm coming home. Coming home. Yeah. Cold world. You know what it is, nigga. Fed now. Carolina. Shout out my niggas like Shiggity. You may know him as 8-Ball Shout. Always patrolling that brag, nigga. You already know what it is. Ask my nigga Smitty about it. He know. I'm coming home. Dreamville weekend.